Hello guys, welcome to my channel Book is Life, and I am here again in front of you all with one more amazing book, a pop science book. You can say it a biography also, but it's more like a science book. And its name is Einstein, His Life and Universe by Walter Isaacson. So, first of all, let me tell you about Walter Isaacson. He's one of the amazing writer I have ever seen, especially about the biographies. He has also written about Benjamin Franklin and Galileo Galilei, and even about Leonardo da Vinci. So it's my first book which I have purchased, which is written by Walter Isaacson, and according to me, it's one of the very amazing and most non-board book I have ever read, especially biography, because popular science is generally quite interesting. So it's a combo of a biography and his scientific life and all about his work. As you can see, I purchased it on 24 December 2020, and I have read whole of it in just 2 months, and I have given it a rating of 4.7 out of 5. So it's really amazing book. Now let me show you about the content. Yeah, so content starts with the main characters, and then chapter 1 is about the light beam rider. This chapter tells us how Einstein started to think about the science by seeing the light. He was the first to give about the dual nature of a light. As we know, he was the first scientist to give the theory of dual nature of light. And then chapter 2 is about his childhood, how he was not so good student, but at last he became one of the most successful and influential scientists of 20th century. And chapter 3 about the Zurich Polytechnic, how he faced a lot of problem while taking admission in the Swedish university. And then in chapter 4 it's about his married life and all, how he started into love and all. And his chapter 5 is about the miracle. That's the very amazing chapter for the science lovers. These chapter 5 and 6, and even one more here. Yes, chapter 9. And then all about Einstein universe, how he formulated the Big Bang theory. Also he gave one more suggestion in the Big Bang theory, and all about, and how the fame, he got the fame, he won the Nobel prizes, Nobel laureate, he became Nobel laureate. He even became the dean in his university from professor. He also tried to unify all the theories, the general relativity and the quantum, but at last he failed. He also even helped in during the nuclear weapons. He really suggested the Americans not to make no nuclear weapons. They were one world leader. He also became a world leader in terms of nuclear weapons, because he made a lot of awareness around the world. So that's why. And there the Red Scare, and the chapter 25, the end. So that's basically a very great book if you want to study about physics, astronomy, and relativity. Actually, I have relativity, but still I bought it because relativity is quite mundane book if you see, because it was written 100 years ago, and this is something amazing. You can get this on Amazon. Yes, I bought it on Amazon for the price, at a whopping price of 450, and its MRP is actually 599, but I got it at 420. So yeah, it's a very good book if you want to know about Einstein's life and about his all discoveries. So till then, please be safe, and bye bye. And yeah, do like and subscribe my videos. Thank you.